good evening. So line number 2674. Ayan po siya. So this is power color RTX 5760 TV drive pan. So ito po siya, running na stress test. Ang GPU temperature 77, hotspots 95, memory temperature 90, GPU VRM temperature 67, pan speed is 44%. Mababa lang yung pan speed niya. So running na po siya ng 1 hour and 18 minutes. So superposition, itong ating score, as you can see. So first good naman. So yung kanyang memory reading, yung clock. So first good. So dalawa yan, so may repair din tayo. Ito rin isa. So yun na rin, passing na. Sabay sila. Okay. So yan po ano. UT time na tayo kasi alas 7 na. Closing na kasi. Okay. So yan po ang ating update from Video Card Repair. So closing na tayo, medyo madilim na. So hanggang dito na lang po. Thank you for watching. See you in the next repair. Bye po na.